Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Renz from the Renzone project. And for today's video, we're going to unbox and review Nendoroid number 1506 Megumi Fushiguro from the hit anime and manga Jujutsu Kaisen. So I got this one from Yabai. So be sure to check out their shop. I'll put the Facebook link and Shopee link in the description below. Here's the packaging of Megumi. It's my company logo, Jujutsu Kaisen logo, his name, the Nendoroid number. Then on the side, I think it's mint green. Also at the back, you can see the various poses of the Nendoroid for the top and the bottom. So before we unbox this thing, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So let's open this Nendoroid. So when you open the box, you can see a small instruction here. Here's the manual that we don't read. So here's the illustration sheet featuring Nue. So here's this base for his stand and other optional arms. Also a stand for Nue. Here's Megumi with all the plastic sheets. So let's start removing this plastic. When playing with Megumi, be extra careful on his hair because it's like a sea urchin with pointy edges. So here's the uniform of Megumi. So he's wearing a standard Jujutsu Tech uniform, which consists of a long sleeve overshirt with a high collar, also with a golden button, also wearing matching trousers and ankle high boots. Let's proceed with the articulation. Megumi Fushiguro have a standard Nendoroid articulation. Head can go up and down, side to side. Arms can go forward, backward. There's a rotation on his hand, face rotation. There's a ball joint on his thigh and thigh rotation also. Can go forward, side to side. Also the boots can rotate. For his accessories, he comes with 2 extra faceplate, a grumpy expression, and a combat expression. Also comes with interchangeable lower part half, probably for combat. You also get an optional right arm, 2 joint arm and hands for his Shikigami technique. I believe this is for calling the divine dog. Then next, another 2 joint hands for calling Nue. A set of arms for combat. A base. I really like the Jujutsu Kaisen base. And of course Nue with the stand. And the last one is the divine dog. So you only get 1. Here's the black divine dog. Apparently there's no articulation on the head, on the legs, but you get an articulation on the tail. So let's change Megumi's faceplate. Like I told you earlier, be extra careful when touching his sharp and pointy hair. Also after this, we will do some posing, exchanging his arms and legs. So be sure to stay and watch the full video. So I'm using the 2 joint arms. So the best way to put it is insert the shoulder first, then followed by the arms, and then you can easily adjust. So I'm going to use this lower part to give Megumi a bit more of combat expression, so it would go well in my toy photography. My final thoughts on Nendoroid Megumi, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Overall, I like his posture even if you only do a vanilla pose. Megumi still looks awesome. The only things I hate are his feet, since you still need to find the right angle for him to balance without a stand. And of course, his pointy hair. Weird like holding a sea urchin, but that's how he is in the manga and anime. Again, the details are good and you get a lot of accessories. I really like the Jujutsu Kaisen circular bases. The design show each character symbols, and hopefully GSE will produce other characters as well. It would also be good if they made it 2 divine dogs or the improved dog totality. But nonetheless, this one is good. So here's Yuji Itadori with Megumi. Hello. So that's the end of our unboxing and review video of Megumi Fushiguro. Don't forget to like this video. You can also comment your thoughts, questions in the comment section below. Also, if you have other Nendoroid unboxing requests, feel free to share it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated on my vlogs and unboxing videos. So bye bye. So that's it for our unboxing. And review video of Megumi Fushiguro. If you like this video, comment it down.